private company and ESI for ESI facilities,
Yes, sir.
he deducted 200 or 300 monthly their salary.
A minimum 1000.
But ESI is not available for every person.
Minimum government rule like that.
So much it means insurance or ESI holders. Both are same. But a lot of many people have no health insurance or because lot of many because private sector is very broad and there are many employees. And
He has to speak. Yeah.
I have a question. You say there's working limit hours in a day. It depends on your work. If you work completed in one day, that's you leave. Or मतलब your salary get remain. Yes. मतलब you say that he will give you money by sitting.
yes, I have one day but
Or he will give you new work by completing your
Purushottam.
previous work.
Yeah. Okay. Let him speak.
So he was saying, sir, that if you go sit for the 8 hours and your work is completed at the single day, so they will give you the salary for the sitting only. So let me tell you, brothers, in any private jobs, someone are asking for the targets. So yes, there is a target. For I think target gives us a challenge that motivates to complete our task on time. So you saying for a single day, yes, in private sectors there are deadlines. They don't have to raise their project for 100 of years. They have a limited time to accomplish this project. If I am coding at any project, okay? So they assign me to create a login page. If I create it on a single day, so that's all for me. I have to sit on my screen only. If I just made for a single day, use 30 days of my time, so it's my fault. So this is a deadline criteria, and every project life cycle is 8 months, 11 months. That's all. But in government sector, you know, a full build takes 10 years, I think. So
Kavya.
this is the red tape.
Kavya has a question.
What is I have a question.
Yes.
What is your most important part?
What is most important part? I already covered in be updated. There is a code for technology wise upgrade yourself. So you have to be upgraded every time. I'm talking about the AI and robot process automations. So since we are using most of the things by automating the things.
Anyone?
I have a question.
Yeah. Mr. Purushottam has a
Suppose
question.
of government services. See, there is a very famous issue of the reservation. As the private sector runs with a merit system, totally merit system, there is no reservation.